Hi everyone, Alex Filvet is here, and right now I want to show you another optimization technique that you can use in your project. So let's just select some textures, and what if their original size is 4K, right? But what if we want to reduce just to optimize some elements? Maybe some objects, they are kind of far and we will not see them pretty close, so it makes sense to reduce quality from 4K, for example, to 2K. But instead of doing it for each texture separately, what we can do, we can select several textures, and then we can open asset actions, open this option, and here texture maximum texture size. So here you can write and 4K and 2K and 1K if you want, and as well you can select as many textures as you want. So it's pretty useful and pretty fast to change texture size for all of your textures that you want. So yeah, I hope it was useful for you guys, and have a good one.